Happy Prime Big Deal Days, friends. Today I'm going to be sharing 30 fantastic deals that travelers and cruisers will love. Everything I mention is linked in the description box and pinned comment, or you can shop it all on our Amazon storefront at amazon.com/shop/CruiseTipsTV. We're going to be covering travel must-haves, toiletry favorites, tech deals, and even a few cozy at-home finds. And remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg with this sales. I mean, I can make this video hours long. In fact, it was hard not to. So you're gonna wanna keep an eye on our Prime Day idea list for updates throughout the sale. I'm gonna put that down in the description too. So a big disclaimer here, you guys, seriously, this is so important. Prices can change. They can change fast. Things can sell out. So if you see something you love, grab it and do not wait too long to buy it. And also, if I mention any prices today, those could change as well. We're going to start today with our travel must-haves and the on-the-go essentials that we love. Packing cubes, we've got to start there, right? Because organized packing cubes make every cruise smoother. So this particular set comes in 6 to 10 piece sets, and the larger ones include a bonus toiletry bag, which is really nice. You're going to save money there. Lots of color options, some cute prints, and it's perfect for starting your packing system. Next, this tote bag is compact yet mighty. It actually holds a 15.6-inch laptop. It zips closed, it has 2 side pockets, and it comes in both bright and neutral tones. It is perfect for embarkation day or as an airplane personal item. Now, in my opinion, every cruiser needs a travel pillow if you are going to be going on a long flight to get to your cruise, and this one is ergonomic, compact, and machine washable. It is fantastic for those long flights or overnight travel when you just need a little bit of neck support. And don't forget, you guys, about a portable power bank. This ultra slim model charges your phone multiple times, and it's carry-on safe. It's perfect for sea days or those long excursions when you're going to be snapping photos all day and running your phone battery dead. So I love wallets as gift ideas, so here's a few of those types of items for you. This AirTag leather wallet for men is a perfect holiday gift. It has RFID blocking, it holds up to 12 cards, it comes in like 9 colors, and it includes a slot for your AirTag, so you can track it easily while traveling. Now, if you prefer something a little sleeker, check out this slim minimalist wallet. It's kind of masculine yet refined, and it's really, really thin, so you can just kind of slip it right into your pocket. Now we've got some filming and cruise adventure gear that I am so excited to share with you. So if you're going to be doing any scenic cruising or wildlife spotting, these little compact binoculars are an absolute must. They are lightweight, they're super clear, and they take up almost no space in your suitcase. You've got to take them to Alaska if you go to Alaska. For my creators and video lovers, the Insta360 X5 is on rare sale. It is a waterproof 8K 360-degree camera with incredible low light performance, and it has that signature invisible selfie stick effect. If you've seen it, you know it. Now, if you love sports and water footage, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro Combo, I know that was a lot, includes 58 accessories, got extra batteries, a 64 gig card, everything you need in one kit. And yeah, GoPros are also discounted right now, still a totally strong contender for those action footage and cruise adventures. Okay, it's time for some tech and travel comfort. Have you guys ever seen the AirFly? The AirFly Pro 2 Bluetooth adapter is a must-have for flights. It lets you pair your AirPods or your wireless headphones with an airplane entertainment system. You can even use it in your car, your boat, your treadmill, and some TVs if you have that little hookup thingy. Now, the Beats Studio Pro headphones are down to $169.99 from $249. They offer elite noise cancellation, 40-hour battery life, and you guys, have you seen this new sand gray color? It is gorgeous. They did not have this color when we bought ours, and I am in love with it. Now, if you prefer something a little softer on the ears, the Bose Quiet Comfort headphones are $199.99, normally $349. Okay, huge savings. The Cypress Green is a gorgeous color, and these are actually my personal go-to for long flights. I like the softness of them, and my husband's been borrowing them lately too. For budget-friendly earbuds, grab the Amazon Echo Buds. Last time I checked, they were only $14.99, which is the lowest price they've been all year long. Okay, let's shift gears, toiletry and beauty time. Burt's Bees makeup wipes come in these packs of 30. There's 3%. They smell amazing. You can pick from coconut, rose, or grapefruit. They're super hydrating. They are great for travel. Now, Supergoop Glow Screen SPF 40 doubles as a primer, and this one rarely goes on sale, just like all the other Supergoop stuff. So it gives your skin this really glowy, even tone, and it comes in 4 shades. Again, you're going to use this sort of in place of a primer as a sunscreen. This K-Beauty sunscreen stick is another winner. There's no white cast on your face. It has a really wide applicator, and it actually helps fade dark spots and freckles and age spots over time. Sign me up. I ordered that bad boy. For travel days or flights, this nausea relief inhaler comes in a 2-pack. It's non-medicinal, ultra minty, and instantly refreshing. I don't even use it for nausea relief. I just use it for that fresh inhaler thing on a flight. I just love the way it smells, and so does my son. This travel size makeup brush kit is so cute, you guys. It comes in 2 styles called the multitasker or the overachiever. Both of them include a zip case and they save space in your toiletry bag. Each set has different brushes though, so make sure you check them out to see which one you could use the most. And of course, this toiletry bag is a fan fave. It comes in 2 sizes. I think that the smaller one is big enough. Has endless prints available, and you guys, there's over 60,000 5-star reviews on this puppy. It holds everything without being ultra bulky. Okay, let's talk about some more home and cruise vibes. Now, if you're in between cruises and you're missing those ocean breezes, these Yankee candles will transport you. They have scents like Pink Sands, Coconut Beach, and Bahama Breeze. Yeah, and they're $10 off right now. They have a couple of 3-wick candles on sale right now too, about 7% below their lowest price all year, but they're kind of hard to find. There's only a couple of them. If you can find them though, they make really good holiday gifts. So how about some home and tech upgrades? Because we're not living on cruise ships, right? We're home a lot of the time. This portable wireless TV is on my wish list. This is such a cool find. It normally sells for over $1,000, but it's way down in price. So it's got these smooth rolling wheels, a 32-inch screen, and you can move it anywhere. From the patio to your barn or wherever, garage, just watch TV anywhere. Now, there's also a 27-inch version from another brand that is on sale for the first time ever, and I cannot decide which one of these I want to get. You have to let me know down in the comments. Okay, it's time for some luggage and cruise fashion. This 2-piece luggage set is marked down from $479 to $240. That is such a good value. It has a carry-on and a large check bag with plenty of different color options. Now, the same brand has a 3-piece set that's 42% cheaper than it has been all year long, and the olive green color, you guys, mwah, chef's kiss, so good. These Steve Madden sneakers are trending big. I picked them up in taupe multi, and they're super cute, they're comfy, and they are cruise perfect no matter where you're going. Chilly sea days, Alaska trips, anything. Speaking of chilly sea days and Alaska trips, you guys, these wraps are so beautiful. They're really lightweight and warm. You always hear me talking about pashminas. You can choose a neutral color or a bright pop of color and wear them on your Alaska cruise or in the theater at night on a cruise when it gets cold. And for the guys, these super soft hoodies are super good for cooler weather and perfect for layering. Last but not least, it's time to stock up on your Liquid IV hydration multiplier. You know it, you love it. This is not a new thing. We talk about it all the time. I really like the immunity blend, and the new sugar-free options are fantastic. So pop a couple of these little packets in your bag for flights, beach days, long excursions. Okay, guys, that wraps up my 30 favorite how do you say that? 30 favorite, here we go. Ready? So let's try it. Prime big deal days finds. It's so hard to say. So which one are you grabbing first? Let me know down in the comments. I love hearing what you guys discover. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cruise travel, packing ideas, and deal finds. Happy shopping, and until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.